fish, guys. So I'm going to add a little more vinegar. And I'm going to let me turn down this flame. Guys, look how pretty our fish look. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful time. Guys, always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Welcome back to Elaine's Creative Cooking. Guys, today I'm going to share with you how I do my brown stew fish. So guys, I'm going to show you all the ingredients now, what we are going to use to put this brown stew fish together. Here I have some fish right here. I think it's about a pound of sliced fish. Guys, you use your fish of your choice. Here I have 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Maggi fish seasoning, and I have 1 teaspoon of paprika here. I like to use paprika when I'm doing my fish. Here I have some tomatoes. I have 2 stalks of scallion here. I have some pimento berries right here. I have 2 peg of garlic finely chopped here, and I have 1/4 of yellow and I have 1/4 of green. Here I have some onion, and here I have my thyme. And guys, what I want to do today, instead of using the water to cook down the fish, here I have some fish stock, and this fish stock is Grace Cock Soup fish tea. This is what I'm going to use. I boil it already and I strain it, so I'm going to use it instead of water. And here I have 2 cloves of garlic right here. I have about 3 cloves of garlic right here, and a piece of pepper. What I'm going to put over here in the pot here, which is the oil is here heating up. I love to use this Dutch pot, fry my things very nicely. So I'm going to stir all of these together. Guys, I don't put any salt. I don't add any salt because these seasoning, they are very salt. They are very salt. And guys, I had just a little bit of black pepper because we hardly use black pepper. Not much black pepper in this house. Not everybody like it. So you can use, if you want to use a teaspoon of black pepper, you go ahead and use it. Okay. So alright now guys, we are going to season our fish now. Pot is there heating up, so I'm going to season. I've already washed my hands. And guys, anything that left after seasoning up this fish, we are going to use it to put it when we are cooking down our fish. Make sure every little part gets some of the seasoning. Okay guys, I'm right here. I'm right here guys. I hope you are seeing everything what I'm doing. Guys, you don't have to use sliced fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Any fish of your choice. Here are our seasoned fish. So I am going to add it to our pot now. So you come along with me, guys, because I know this oil is hot. Let me first put in this pepper and the garlic in it. And I don't really want it to stick. Don't want it to stick, guys. Hope it's not foggy. Let me try with this wooden spoon here. Okay. I'm going to add this one at a time, guys, and frying them. I love to use this pot. I love this Dutch pot. I love to use it fried. I'm not sure I'm going to cook them down in it, but I am just frying them off in there. So see it here, guys. I think it can hold another small piece. Oops. So see it here, guys. Look at it, guys. Alright, guys, here they are. So I'm going to take them out now, guys. Look at most of them here burning up. Have to be careful. So, guys, see it? These are the 2 pieces I've already fried. So these 2 pieces now, I'm going to put them in here. So guys, I think I'm going to take out these cups here. Guys, I hope you're seeing right in the pot, because sometimes it tends to be very foggy to eat, or the steam coming from the pot. There, and these are the 2 pieces I've already fried off. And guys, here I have 1/4 cup of ketchup. I have 1/4 cup of ketchup here, and I have a teaspoon of mushroom sauce. Not sure if I'm going to use off the exactly full teaspoon, because this sauce is very dark. You have to be careful how you use it, but we will see the amount that we will need. Guys, fish are finished frying off, and this is the color they have. So what I am going to do now, I strain off the oil. This is about 1/2 tablespoon of oil left in the pot. I strain off the oil that I used to fry them, because we don't need that amount of oil to cook it down. So what I am going to do now, I'm going to add these seasoning, some of them. I'm going to add some of them to the pot, like the onion, adding the onion, adding the scallion, and adding the garlic and the pimento berries. So we're going to saute off these, and I'm adding the thyme. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this pot to cook it down. I just want all these bits and pieces from there. That's all the goodness down there, guys, and we don't want to throw it away. While I'm sauteing off those seasoning, I'm going to pour off some of the cock soup, fish cock soup here. I'm not going to mix up all of it or something deeper, so I'm going to now use this. I'm going to put about half of the tablespoon in there because we don't want it a little bit more. We don't want it the sauce to dark. And I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of ketchup. So I'm mixing this now to put in the pot to make a gravy or to make a sauce so we can add our fish. I'm going to pour this. I'm going to now pour this in the pot. This is what it looks like. I don't think I'm going to cook it in this pot. I don't think you'll be able to hold in this pot. I just want to get the bits and pieces from here. Just want to get the bits and pieces out of the bottom of this pot. So I have to transfer it to another pot. Okay guys, so here it is. Hope you're seeing and it's not foggy. So what I am going to do now, the remaining of the seasoning that left, I'm just going to add a little because I have to taste. I'm going to add just a little. Look at that sauce, guys, and the fish don't go on in there yet. And I'm going to now add the fish. I hope it's not foggy. Add the fish in there, guys. The steam coming from the pot sometimes causes it to be very foggy. See guys, so what I'm doing now, I'm using the gravy or the sauce to baste the fish. I could cook it down in the smaller Dutch pot, you know, but anyway. See there, guys. And remember, guys, fish don't take no long time to cook. I'm going to add my tomatoes and my sweet pepper right there. Look at it, guys. Guys, if you want to add other veggies to yours, you can go ahead. If you want to add carrot and chocho, whatever you want to add to yours, you can go ahead and add it. I didn't add any salt, guys, because guess what? The salt, these seasoning are so salt, and the chicken stock is salt also. And what I use, Grace fish flavored cock soup, is the one that I use to make the fish stock. Instead of using water, I use this one. So I'm going to taste the flavor. I'm going to add a piece of butter. Helps to bring up the flavor. So guys, I'm going to cover this. It's as if I'm not supposed to have the pepper, guys. So I'm going to taste now. Guys, it don't want nothing else. It don't want anything else. Guys, taste your pot as you go along, and you add whatever you want to add to your pot. You go ahead. If you like your food spicy, you go ahead and do your food spicy. But for me, I am afraid of pepper. So I'm going to add a little more vinegar. And I'm going to let me turn down this flame. Guys, look how pretty our fish look. Wow. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the little pepper in there. I'm afraid of spicy food, guys. Bad, 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 bad. I'm afraid of pepper. Bad. So see here, guys, this is what I'm adding to our sauce. Guys, look how the fish look pretty. Look how it's pretty. And guys, we don't want our fish to cook too soft, so I'm going to cover down this for a couple of minutes, and then guys, when I come back, it's time for us to plate up. It's time to plate up something for you guys. Hope it's not foggy, guys. Hope it is not foggy, and hope you are seeing. So I'm going to cover. Okay guys, I am back. Our fish is finished cook. Let me show you. I hope the steam that's coming from it, guys. Look at it, guys. Look how it look pretty. And guys, you know how it look pretty, it tastes good. Tastes real good, guys. Yes guys. Yes guys. So guys, when you see me back, your plate will be ready. See it there, guys. So I'm going to turn it off now because it's finished cooked. See it there, guys. Look at our fish. Tastes real good. Tastes nice, guys. It tastes nice. It tastes nice. Can done. There, guys. So guys, when you see me back, I make a plate. Your plate will be ready. Okay guys, I am back, and I told you when I come back, I will just come back with your plate. So guys, here I make a plate for you. Here I make a plate for you guys. Please do enjoy it, guys. And I serve it up with some crushed white yam and some steamed veg. Yes guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming along with me. Guys, stay safe. Stay blessed. Guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Guys, I want to say thanks to all of my viewers and my subscribers. I do love and appreciate all of you. God bless you all.